Today we're making carrot, beetroot and ginger with a bit of lime. But as you know, I prefer my juice quite sweet. So I'm going to add possibly pear or apple for extra sweetening. So let us begin. Now what I've gone and done is, unfortunately I had to peel the carrots. Reason being, I left them too long and the skin appeared withered. The unfortunate side of it, you do lose some slight nutrition because the carotene is in fact under the skin. However, if it's under the skin, some certainly must have absorbed into the actual carrot. So nonetheless, we're going to persevere and put them to good use. Alternatively, if your skin is compromised, what you can do is chop them up into fine squares with celery, bell peppers, and use them as julienne vegetables along with onions to make gravy or with your Sunday roast. So we're using the Nutribullet. As you know, it doesn't require us peeling any of the fruits. You can put them in whole, including the cork and the pip and everything. That's what's good about it. It also cuts the time down considerably. I'm putting the carrots in first because that's the main key ingredient. We can then apply the rest of the fruits, make our adjustments accordingly. Now I haven't included the exact measurements. The amount of carrots I've used, the quantity, it's given me 300 mils of juice. We're now going to put the beetroot with it. Okay, so things like beets, carrots, apples and pears and lime, we put it on a high pulse. Things like cucumber, etc., you can put it on a low pulse. And the beets that I use, preferably go for the raw beetroots. However, I've gone for these cooked beetroots. But again, preferably use the raw organic ones if you can. As for the ginger, we're going to use this much. I would say a thumb size. Now at this point, we're going to taste the potency. Then we will know exactly what needs adjusting. Give it a good shake. Cheers. Ooh, surprisingly, the beets are quite sweet, so I don't think I'll be adding too many additional fruits such as the pear and the apples. However, what I will do is put the rest of the ginger I really like this particular juice to have a strong kick where the ginger is concerned. Put a bit of yang with my yin. Okay, so that's almost all there is to it. I'm going to add the lime. Reason being, lime has so much nutritional benefits. It can also detox as well. It purifies the skin. If you're suffering with spots and various dermatology problems, it may assist with that. Everyone's constitution is different. I can only promote what works well for yours truly. We're using the whole lime. Okay, so we're gonna give it one more taste and then decide whether I'm gonna sweeten it or not, especially since I've added the lime. Lime can make it slightly tangy or taut. Because what I'm trying to prevent is the ginger overpowering the beetroot or the carrot, or the lime overpowering all the other three. Not bad, not bad. We are, however, going to add a few pears. Because I'm just naughty, even though it's supposed to be ital juice, ital meaning no sweetening, etc., etc. These are natural sugars. So diabetics, be aware, fruits contain natural sugars, and some of them are quite high in the sugar content. So I'm just asking you to be mindful of that. Perfecto. It doesn't really need anything else done to it, unless you want to add some boiled cool water or still mineral water to bring up the quantity. As per usual, I've got these 500ml bottles, and again, preferably go for glass bottles, because as you know, with plastics, they could have micro fragments. So I wouldn't really advise everyone to use the plastic. I'm just using these as one-off because I've poured out the water, etc. So I'm quite confident it hasn't got plastic particles. And these type of juice is good when you're on the go. Okay. Sorry, sweetie pie, I'm gonna get another glass here. Right. Now, I'm going to give my gorgeous camera lady a sample. Shout out to the Millennium Kid. Yes. So, have a taste and tell me what you think.
It's nice, it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
What about the consistency, the texture? It's like a smoothie, isn't it?
Yeah, smooth.
Yeah, because people can add water and dilute it. Essentially, it doesn't really need anything else done to it, does it?
No.
Brilliant. So there you go. Perfect. So that's today's juice. Beetroot, ginger and carrot with lime. And yes, if one must, apples and pears for sweetening. The good thing about this, you know when they say have your 5 a day? Already this gives you your 5 a day. And if by lunchtime you incorporate salad in with your luncheon, then you've literally had the right amount of fruits and vegetables before the afternoon is out. That's a result. So do bear that in mind. The benefits that this have, especially if you add 2 more additional fruits to the mixture, you've had your 5 a day. Voila. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe. Look forward to doing the next juice for you guys. Lots of love. Bye for now.